Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what are the differences between Java and JavaScript. Java and JavaScript are both popular programming languages, but they are quite different in terms of their usage, features, and design. Here is a breakdown of their key differences. First one is nature and usage. Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language primarily used for building standalone applications, enterprise software, and Android apps. It is used for backend development, desktop applications, and more. JavaScript is a scripting language mainly used for web development to make website interactive and dynamic. It runs in the browser, allowing you to manipulate the DOM, which is a document object model, and interact with the user. And the second point is execution environment. Java code is compiled into bytecode and then executed by the Java virtual machine, which is a JVM, which allows it to run on different platforms. JavaScript code is usually interpreted and executed by the web browser or JavaScript runtime. Example Node.js for server side application. Third point syntax. Both languages share some syntax, especially when it comes to things like loops, conditions, but the overall structure and approach can be quite different. Java is strictly typed language while JavaScript is more flexible with the types. Typing system. Java is statically typed language, which means variables need to be declared with a specific type, example int, string, etc. And type errors are caught at compile time. JavaScript is dynamically typed, meaning variables can change types at runtime and type errors are often caught during the execution. Compilation versus interpretation. Java is a compiled language into bytes which runs on JVM, meaning the code must be compiled before execution. JavaScript is an interpreted language, meaning the code is executed directly by the browser or JavaScript engine without needing a separate compilation step. Concurrency. Java uses multi-threading and concurrency to perform multiple operations at the same time. It has a built-in tools like thread, executor service, and synchronization mechanism to handle this. Whereas JavaScript is a single threaded, but it uses asynchronous programming, callbacks, promises, and async await to handle concurrency, such as making API calls, handling user input without blocking the main thread. Object oriented versus prototype based. Java follows an object oriented programming paradigm using classes and objects. It focuses on concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. JavaScript is a prototype based language, meaning it does not use classes in the traditional sense, though ES6 introduces classes as a syntactic sugar. Instead, objects inherit directly from other objects. Development speed and use cases. Java is generally used for large scale applications and the system that requires speed, security, and efficiency. But it can be more complex to learn and use effectively. JavaScript is quick to start with and allow rapid prototyping. Particularly for web development, it's a versatile as it can be used in both the client side browser and server side Node.js. Libraries and frameworks. Java has many mature frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, JavaFX for various types of application. JavaScript has a huge ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, especially for web development such as React, Angular, and Vue.js for frontend, and Express.js for backend development with Node.js. Platform support. Java is a platform independent thanks to the JVM, meaning that Java applications can run on any system that has a Java virtual machine. JavaScript is supported in all major browsers and can also be used on the server side with environments like Node.js. So the summary, Java is a general purpose compiled object oriented language mainly for large scale applications and Android development. JavaScript is a dynamic interpreted language mainly for development to create interactive websites and applications. So friend, this is all about Java versus JavaScript differences. Thank you.